ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Hello everyone. Today we are modify Octopus Pro 1. So this can connector is RJ11. So we are modify this. We add a GST connector here. Stay tuned. So company launch a new motherboard. So Octopus 1.1. So they have a GST connector for communication easy for a canvas system. So we are modify this motherboard, so we can add a GST connector there. I try to make a CAN wire first. The CAN wire is this RJ wire is like a 1 meter. I need a longer wire for a canvas, so I do some research. So this wire is like a short, so give me some issues. I try some male female canvas stuff there or some other stuff, so not able to manage it, and I'm trying to extend a cable to add a cable so I can extend like a 2 meter, so not able to do it because this wire is too soft and too like it's a hair thin, not able to crimp or strip something like it. So I choose it. Next way, I think I choose the way to customize it. So I customize this one. I remove this RJ connector and add a GST connector. So if you know how to do this stuff and you do use these tools, so soldering iron, this is a some tool is like a suck solder, hot solder there, solder, some paste. So please, if you are professionally you can do it, or like you have some skills, then you can use it. Otherwise, take a help from any professional, so you are your motherboard is safe, or accidentally you are not damaging it. Now I apply some paste here, help of some tool. So carefully apply a paste on the joints there. So make sure we are removing this jack, so we carefully only this area, this pad. Now I add some fresh solder here on every point first, so make it a hot. So apply solder on the joints. So do everything carefully. Next I need a suction pump. So what I do here, place iron there and suction suck that solder now. So be careful, so otherwise it's accidentally drip the solder from the pump. So carefully make sure you know what is your soldering temperature stuff for all these kind of things. And do it with the patience. No rush. No need to do anything fast. So make sure everything is like a slowly and steady, so you can like without damaging the board you can remove all the solder. So I remove the solder with the tools. So make sure is nothing is like a solder there or joints, so you can easily pull this back and then and you just need to, when you remove it and you check it, so it's like a free to play. If it's not playing, that means it's still welded there. So you need to take care of. It's not like a, you no need to any push, gently. So try it. If nothing is like moving, so do another shot. Remove the solder, all the things. Do it again, and like this plastic parts, squeeze it. Okay, and remove the gently this jack. So check it. Do with the patience, and if you don't know how to do it, then take a help from any professional person. Now I like mostly desolder the all the stuff. If you are facing something issue, so you can cut the excess legs. So if you don't want to use it again, so cut the legs. If you want to use it, so pull it like carefully. So I don't want to use it again, so I desolder it. I cut the excess legs so I can pull it easily. I cut all the legs from the jack. So now I try to another round. So it's almost I almost desolder everything, so I don't want to damage our track pads. So that's why I like carefully do desoldering all this stuff. When you confirm, so everything is desoldered, nothing is attached to the track pads. So make sure, so like squeeze some this plastic locks and gently pull this out. So now the RJ connector is out. Now you need a GSC connector to a solder there. Now RJ connector is removed. You have an option. So which connector you want to add it there. So it's all, everything is optional. Like if you want to 2 pins, like if you want to add it, connect here. So the middle pins here, top, there is a can low and can high. So you can connect a 2-pin GST connector there. It's up to you, like a diagonal, like this one. All everything is like a optional, your choice. If you want to like a solder or directly solder a pins to the can and high and low. Okay. So orientation, what is up to you, how you want to solder it there. Everything is like choice. So 2 pins you can connect like this. Okay. So you can solder one pin here and one pin here, and you can make a jumper from the can high to this second pin, or like it's up to you the how rigidity you want. Like you can use a 3-pin JST, you can connect it there, and you can solder it. Again, you can solder this pin, and you can make a jumper from here to here. So all the thing is like optional, how you want to like make a connection there, like a JST 2-pin, 3-pin. Before I modify or do something any with these pins, this extra pins here, so I verify it, this pin is not belongs to anything else. Verify these pins. I'm going to verify the pins. So here is a diagram. So CAN bus here, so they said is same. CAN high, CAN low is here, so all other pins is NC pin. So maybe I think we need to it's empty, maybe programmable pins. After that I'm going to schematic programs. So again, so they gave a numbers there, so I think the pin numbers is there, but all other pins is like I think they didn't mention anything here. So maybe this is a programmable pins. It's empty for right now. Okay, after a pin diagram and schematics stuff, so I verify. So there is a no any connection with any other pins. So I connected the like check with the multimeter. So there is a no continuity or nothing else. Like okay, resistance is there. So now no connectivity for the CAN high, CAN low. I check all the pins one by one. Like no ground, any other voltage pins, 5 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt, no signal, any other things. So verify all the stuff with these pads. So there is a no continuity or nothing is connection with all the other pins, like a nearby pins or something else. So now I'm going to decide. I think 2-pin is connector is like a looking a small. I think I decide I'm going to add 3-pin connectors here. So 3 points there, here. So I solder it, so it looks okay and it's rigid. So in that case, like I knew. So this one, the all the other things looks okay. Orientation, look at there. So I added there. I make a jumper for the here to empty pin to the CAN high. After this, I solder a GST connector there and add a jumper there between the connections pads. So I cut. Now I'm going to cut the extra wire. Okay, now I cut the extra wires. Now it's a neat and clean. Now you are ready to use the GST connector, customizable cable as long as you want. So everything is there. Now you just need to take care of the one thing. So the can and high. So this pin is now high and the middle one is low, and the other one is empty now. So according the orientation, so I think so I can make a jumper like this, easy. GST canvas. So check my other video. So I already a software part, canvas software part is already done. So you can now catapult can boot system there. It's already there. So this is the modification how you can do it. And now like a RJ connector. If you are not able to make a cable, longer cable with this RJ connectors, so I waste plenty of cables there. So I remove it. Now I'm going to communicate with this GST. Okay, this is how you can modify Octopus 1.0 RJ connector to the GST connector. Okay, so now you can use easily your CAN connection here. Now please do subscribe, like and share this video. I make more content for you. Please, thank you for watching this video.